Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a promo code for Airalo eSIMs. Also, if you are planning to buy your first Airalo eSIM, I've left a discount code of $3 in the description. So be sure to check that out as well. So first of all, you can either come here on airalo.com or you can also launch your Airalo application. Just make sure that you sign in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page itself, you are going to see a bunch of different popular locations, and you just have to do nothing but to just simply select that particular location, the eSIM of which you want to basically purchase. Now after selecting it, you just have to simply select your plan as well, and then after selecting your plan, you just have to simply select the option of buy or purchase. Now when you go on the purchase page, you just have to select the option of apply the coupon code or redeem the code, and when you select that option, just make sure that you use the coupon code that I have given you in the description. It is micro6251. So if you are purchasing your eSIM for the very first time on the platform, you are going to get $3 off on your purchase. So after applying that particular coupon code, if it is valid, it will be shown and the discount of $3 will be applied, and you just have to do nothing then but to just simply make the payment. Finally, review your updated total and complete the purchase. If your code doesn't work, make sure that you double check if it is entered correctly. For more details, you can just check out the link of it in the description. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.